Alright guys, so on this Mercedes I gotta replace the transmission mount. It's the 2003 ML320. Let me just double check here. Yeah, ML320. There's a couple things I gotta do on here. I gotta check the transmission fluid level because it might be too full or it might be too low, but also the transmission mount I think needs to get replaced. I already bought one, but when you shift it, so we'll go to reverse. You guys can hear that. It just shakes. Whew, pretty violently. Especially drive and then reverse park. No issue. So yeah, that's the plan for this, is to, I'm gonna go under. I got the mount in the thing in the Supra, but so here is our transmission mount. Hopefully that will help. I think the here's a part number for anybody I need.